Last week, we discussed why it's really important to pick a niche and really dive into one topic in your content. And that naturally brings us to how to create a social media presence that attracts your ideal client. And it all starts with your Instagram bio. So you can utilize a lot of what I'm going to share with you today on Instagram, on other platforms as well, but we're really diving into how to structure the perfect Instagram bio that gets the attention of your ideal client and ideal audience so that they know that they're in the right place and that you are someone to watch and follow. So if you're ready to update your bio, let's go. For the best advice and tips on growing your audience with fresh content ideas, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get my latest uploads every week. So here we are on Instagram, and this is really your bio, but there's really more involved in your bio than just the description under your name. So when you go to edit profile, you have your name, your username, pronouns, the website link that you want people to click on, and your actual bio. So your bio is the last thing. So let's talk about the first couple of things. The username is what is associated with your account, but it should be branded or related to your name or what you do. So for instance, my website is ivorymix.com. So my username is at the Ivory Mix. If you were a real estate agent and your name was Michelle, your username should be at Michelle Agent or something along those lines that tells them not only who you are, but what you do. So it's going to be one of those things. It's either going to be related to who you are and what you do or your brand's name. Beyond that, you have the actual name. So this shows up right underneath your header image, your headshot, and includes your name or your business's name and what you do or specialize in. These are important words because they're actually searchable words on Instagram. So when someone goes to the search tab and types in marketing expert, they will find my name will come up because these words are searchable. So besides those two things, the name and the username, you want to include your website and a bio. When you tap into the bio, you have limited number of characters, about 150 characters, and I like to break bios into 3 sections. The bottom section is about the call to action. What do you want them to do, and what is your link in your bio related to? So I am pointing down and saying easy marketing plan because when they click, you can see it's pointing to the link, and when they click, at the top of my bio is the easy marketing planner. So it's a call to action to grab the easy marketing planner. Then the third element of the bio is, or the second element of the bio is something to build authority, something to build trust, or something that you're known for or have been seen on. So this could be what you specialize in. It could be how many customers you've served. It could be how much revenue you've created for your clients. It could be how many clients that you've served. Some sort of authority number. Then the very top and the last bit of your bio, save the best for last, is what you do and who you help. So I've got a few different templates and I want to share those with you. You can use this same structure whether you are a client-based business, a service-based business, or if you're a product-based business. I'm going to give you a few different examples in just a second. So here are my examples. This is the 3 lines that you might have inside of your bio, and that first line is the one that we're working on now. And so if you're a content creator, a coach, maybe you own a membership, have an online course, or maybe you're even a service provider like a virtual assistant. This would be my recommended bio structure. So you would start with who you are and who you serve or your target audience and what they're looking for or what you help them with. So that's the basic structure. And so I'm going to give you an example. Let's say you're a blogger for people who are fanatic about books. You would structure it like this: book blogger helping fiction lovers discover the best new books to read. So it tells who you are, who you help, and with what. What do you help them with? So this will apply to anyone who's a service-based business, a coach, or a content creator. But for those of you who are product creators and create physical products, you might need a different type of bio. So I've got that type of bio here. It's kind of the same structure where you have the 3 different lines, because really the goal is the same. Your audience, your target audience has a goal associated with your physical product, whether it's a piece of clothing or a jewelry or a candle or a book or stationery, whatever it is, there is a goal in mind. And it may not be a tangible goal like making more money or fixing your relationship. It may just be something like creating the room or the space that you want to live in. So whatever the goal is, you have to associate that with your target audience and your physical product. So again, we're talking about who we're helping who turn what problem into what goal. And so I'm using a stationery company as an example. And so your bio might start out with helping true stationery fans turn desk goals into reality. So that's how you would still create a bio, even if you were a product-based business. So again, just to recap, your bio should have 3 lines in it. The 3rd line should be related to your freebie or the link that you want them to click in your bio. It doesn't have to be for a freebie. It could be something to purchase, but it should be a call to action related to the link. Then the 2nd line should be some sort of thing that provides authority. And so if you have a physical product, this could be the number of countries you sell in, or if you're only, made in the USA, then you might say made in the USA, something that really connects with your audience and tells them that you can be trusted, whether that's number of units sold, how many countries you've sold in, or how many clients you've served. Then the first line, the top line, is the attention grabber. Who do you help? Why do you help them? And what do you help them achieve? So I hope these example templates are helpful for you. Again, this is the first template, the one for coaches or content creators. And then the second template is here. And so you can use either one of these templates to get started in creating your unique bio. So last but not least, once you have your template chosen and you've customized it, you want to keep the words under 150 characters because that is all the space that you have inside of your bio. However, to make things stand out and to really capture visual attention, you'll want to leave a little space for a few emojis if you can. Because you can see the eye just goes towards the color and the shape and something visually interesting. And so if you can add check marks or little emojis for airplanes or whatever it is related to your content and your topic, let's say you're the stationery company or you're a book lover, you'll put a book emoji or something like that. Use those emojis to help you structure a better bio and grab attention visually as well. It helps break up the text and the content and makes it even easier to read as well. Now, if I'm typing something on the computer versus on my mobile phone, I will go to the website getemoji.com and I will actually copy emojis from here onto the bio so that I can copy and paste this into, if I wanted to click edit profile here and paste it here, you can go to get emoji and be able to type out or copy the emojis that you're looking for. So if you wanted to look up a book emoji, you could grab this emoji, click copy, and be able to paste it right within your text. And then when you're ready to copy and paste, you can copy it, go over to your Instagram profile, hit edit profile, and then scroll down to the bio and paste that in there. Now that you know more, you can get started creating your Instagram brand with this completely free Instagram mood board and feed planning template. It's a Canva template, it's completely free, and you can get a link below this video to get it for yourself. Also, if you're finding it hard to get new subscribers or connect with your audience, I've got a Secret Society Facebook group where you can join others and connect with other content creators, and you can get a link to that right below this video as well.